What if the bacteria inside your stomach were secretly controlling your brain, your cravings, your inflammation, and even your diabetes? Scientists now believe your gut microbiome may influence obesity, insulin resistance, constipation, diarrhea, anxiety, and blood sugar levels. And the shocking part? Some sweeteners may damage these bacteria, while others may actually protect them. The discovery of gut microbes began over 300 years ago when Dutch scientist Antonie van Leeuwenhoek first observed microscopic organisms in 1681. Today, scientists estimate the human gut contains nearly 39 trillion microorganisms, collectively called the gut microbiome. This system is called the gut-brain axis, a two-way communication network between your digestive system and your brain. The gut and brain constantly exchange messages using nerves, hormones, immune signals, and chemicals made by bacteria.
In fact, nearly 90% of the body's serotonin, a chemical linked to mood and happiness, is produced in the gut.
When harmful bacteria dominate, the gut lining weakens. This condition, often called leaky gut, allows inflammatory toxins to enter the blood.
This chronic inflammation can interfere with insulin signaling and increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. Scientists believe inflammation from an unhealthy microbiome contributes to insulin resistance, the core problem behind type 2 diabetes. Highly processed foods, excess sugar, and poor diets can reduce beneficial bacteria and feed harmful microbes. On the other hand, fiber-rich foods help good bacteria produce protective compounds called short-chain fatty acids. One of these compounds, butyrate, helps repair the gut lining and lowers inflammation throughout the body. Stanford microbiome researcher Dr. Justin Sonnenberg has shown how modern diets are reducing microbial diversity in humans. If you enjoyed this scientific deep dive, subscribe to Diabetes 2 Reversal for evidence-based health videos that simplify complex medical science.
The less diverse your microbiome becomes, the harder it may be for your body to regulate metabolism and immunity.
A damaged microbiome can also slow intestinal movement, contributing to constipation.
Meanwhile, bacterial imbalance can also trigger diarrhea by disrupting water absorption and intestinal signaling. Antibiotics can save lives, but overuse may destroy beneficial bacteria along with harmful microbes. Scientists are now studying how artificial sweeteners affect the gut microbiome. Some studies suggest sweeteners like saccharin and sucralose may negatively alter gut bacteria in certain individuals. In some experiments, these changes were linked to glucose intolerance and metabolic dysfunction. Natural sweeteners such as stevia and monk fruit appear to have less harmful impact on the microbiome in many studies. Allulose, a rare sugar, is also being studied for its potentially lower metabolic impact compared to regular sugar. However, scientists still emphasize that microbiome responses can vary from person to person. Exercise, sleep, stress reduction, and diet all shape the gut microbiome every single day. Stress itself can disrupt the gut-brain axis, changing digestion, inflammation, and even bacterial composition. That's why improving gut health often improves energy, digestion, and mental clarity together. Gastroenterologist Dr. Emran Mayer describes the gut microbiome as one of the body's most important communication systems. A healthy microbiome supports metabolism, immune defense, digestion, and healthy blood sugar regulation. The effects of poor gut health often develop slowly over years, silently influencing disease risk over time.
But the encouraging news is that the microbiome can begin improving within days of healthier habits. Inside your gut lives an entire microscopic ecosystem, one that may shape far more of your health than we once imagined.
The future of medicine may not only treat organs individually, but heal the communication between the gut and the brain.
If you enjoyed this scientific deep dive, subscribe to Nutrition Dynamics for evidence-based health videos that simplify complex medical science.